Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the last topic of this chapter, means reproduction in plants. Yesterday we will talk about till the germination. Okay now? So now today we are going to germination of seeds and part of seed and which condition or requirement for germination of a seed. So now students, this is the diagram of seed. Structure of seed, dicotyledons. So now students, conditions means requirements play important role in germination. So now when we put a seed inside the soil, in soil contains water, temperature and oxygen in a sufficient amount. When we see the internal parts of dicotyledon seed and monocotyledon seed, so now these structures will be seen. Like as students, dicotyledons जैसे ले लिया डाइकोटिलेडन्स जैसे ग्राम है, तो ये समझ लो आपकी ग्राम का डायग्राम, ग्राम मीन्स चने का। जब हमने इसको तोड़ा तो तोड़ने के बाद आप लोगों ने इसको देखा होगा कि टॉप पर एक एम्ब्रियो रहता है छोटा सा, लेकिन जब इसका जर्मिनेशन होता है तो वो नहीं रहता है। तो हम देखते हैं पहले हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स, दीज पार्ट्स इज कॉल्ड कोटिलेडन्स। ये जो पीले कलर का दिखाई हमें देता है, तो कोटिलेडन्स प्रोवाइडेड न्यूट्रिएंट्स फॉर द एम्ब्रियो एंड एम्ब्रियो हैव टू मेन पार्ट्स. First part is called pillimule and second is called radicals. Pillimule, these see this leaf-like structures. These structure called pillimules because after the maturation, the pillimules to form a shoot system, students, and radicals to form a root system. To form a root system. Okay, and both are called embryo. And after fertilization, seed formation, and inside the seed contains a well developed embryo. Okay, so now this is called germination of seed, means germination of formation of pillimules by the embryo and radicals inside the soil. So now pillimules to form a shoot system and radicals to form a, okay, and these structures called embryonal axis, means this axis seed based inside the soil. Okay, and requirement of seed germination, like as sufficient amount of oxygen, sufficient amount of temperature 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, and water. Sufficient amount of water will be required for the germination. This is the process of germination of seeds. After germination, pillimule form and radical form, and they both form a new baby plants. And new baby plants started their life as a newborn plants and mature plants, and mature plants give rise to as a fruits, and fruits inside the fruits formation of seed, and once again means regularly this process is repeatedly because of plants